Hi guys, so today I'm going to be working on some X19 seats, so the Fiat X19. It's a little two-seater, and I'm going to be making some new covers for these seats. So what I need to do is just see how everything comes apart. The seats are not in great condition, as most all seats are. They're not in great condition, that's why they've come to me. We'll take this seat apart, assess the seat, and then see what I can do with it. Now the owner does want the stripes on his seats. Yeah, we'll see. I'll just start by taking the seat apart. That's the base off. Yeah, we've got a big hole here. There it is, and I think it's been chewed by mice because the hole's bigger on the bottom. Okay, I'll put that to one side. Now he does want these stripes to go back onto the seat, so when I make the cover, what I'll probably do is cut out the stripe bit and sew them onto the covers that I'm going to make. Let's see. So when it is like this, people might think that it's much easier just to cut the seat cover off. It is, but it's always best to be able to get it off in one piece. Then you can see how it goes on and comes off. And sometimes they do it easy, sometimes they don't. I think this one should come off relatively easy. So obviously with time, a lot of things have rotted off. So these metal rods here were attached via these here. So we've got bits of webbing that are pushed through the seat from the back, and they attach to the pocket that holds the rod, and it pulls it in place. But over time they start to rot away. They'll be useless now. So there we have that stripped down. So with this, I think I'm going to do a mixture of things. I think I'm going to take the seat apart and also pattern the seat as well. Not just rely on the covers as a pattern, just because I don't trust them, but it'll give me a bit of an idea if my pattern is correct to what these are. So move all this crap off the bench, give it a bit of a brush off, get rid of all the rust.